Hi, my name is McLaughlin. I am currently a student at Case and I was diagnosed with ADHD in 4th grade. Having ADHD means that I often have trouble focusing in class and I also find it difficult to sit still. And at certain times, I can be impatient and call out answers without raising my hand or waiting until it's my turn to speak in class. I now take medication on school days to help me focus better in class. The medication also reduces my desire to move, and I'm more patient in waiting my turn to speak or answer a question. If I still need more help in school, I can get help from a teacher, a classmate, or the school counselor. The work sample that I am sharing is an essay from my social studies class. I chose this project because I think it shows me doing my best work. I spent a long time working on this essay, and I also spent a long time researching for it. I had many ups and downs during this project, but overall, I think this essay shows me creating my best work. One of my strengths that is shown in this project is that once I get started, I can write long and strong. As my essay progresses, I think the writing gets better with very concrete ideas and evidence. I think this essay also shows that I'm very capable of writing a strong essay when I push myself to do so. I think one of the things that I could have done better was get more feedback from my peers. I was satisfied with the work I did on my essay, but maybe if I had gotten more feedback from peers on how to improve the structure, I could have made my essay even better. One way I can still be successful in school despite my learning difference is by using a calendar to organize my assignments. I also try to use my time wisely in school so I can get as much work done as possible. I usually learn better visually and with pictures, so at school the teachers can write down instructions for me so I have an easier time learning. I also get help from the learning assistant at our school if I'm falling behind on an assignment. For example, if I'm falling behind on an essay, the learning assistant will come tell me what I need to do, and I will get extra time and to work independently on the project. Lastly, during testing, I get extra time in a separate workspace. For example, when I did ERB testing, I would take the tests in the library and I would get extra time to do the test. I think Riordon and the RSP are a good fit for me because they fit my learning needs and learning style. For example, they will help me manage and complete all of my assignments so I can be my best self at Riordon. Thank you for your time.